This is one of those BCDs that when you open up the box and you start to look closely at all of its features, you kind of make that ooh sound. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, this year Cressi are celebrating their 80th anniversary with a unique lineup of gear with a signature style which is named Dive Yellow, and the AquaWing Plus is the BCD that Cressi have chosen as a flagship. So the AquaWing Plus is effectively a backplate and wing BCD with a modular design which makes it one size fits all, and it gives you some flexibility and real comfort of a recreational BCD. You've got integrated weights, a steel backplate, padding all over it so it's nice and comfortable, and quick adjust single piece harness as well with a crotch strap that make this a great high-end BCD. And it's a part of Cressi's Atelier range, meaning it's only available through Cressi dive centres, not online. So head over to the Cressi website and find your local dealer to find one. So this is how it arrives in a cardboard box, and no plastic bag, which is quite nice to see. Inside the box you get a big book of words, directions for use, a user manual in a bunch of different languages, but it does explain quite a lot about the BCD because there is some customization in here. You also obviously get the BCD, which we're all here to see. There's a little tag on it about the just anniversary edition, about the BCD itself, and like a sizing guide. Yeah, you get the a pair of cam bands. You do have the low pressure inflator hose fitted, and yeah, most of it is fully assembled. It just, you can do a bit of like customization just to tighten and loosen some of the straps. But yeah, let's take a closer look at the BCD itself. So starting at the top of the BCD, over your left-hand shoulder, pretty traditional corrugated inflator hose, leads down to the inflator itself. Pretty classic Cressi inflator with the inflate and the deflate, and oral inflation as well. This does have a over-the-shoulder pull dump, so if you pull that whole inflator module, there's a cable on the inside of the corrugated tube that connects to the inflator over your left-hand shoulder. So when you pull it down, it vents over the top of the shoulder. That way you basically don't have to lift it all the way up. You can just, when you're on the surface, just pull it straight down and it's going to vent from there. And that's held in place by this little retainer, which is quite handy. This is quite how a lot of technical divers do it. You have this big rubber band that's attached to a tri-glider, so you can move that up and down if you so wish. The actual inflator hose that comes off of your regulator, that's held in place by this little clip, which is quite handy just to keep that in the right place. Underneath that, you can see the left shoulder strap. You've got a pre-bent D-ring with a little hose retainer clip. These are quite handy to keep. Mainly for your submersible pressure gauge, so you can click the hose into that. It just helps to organize things, but it's just a little wire gate so you can remove it and place it wherever you wish. But the pre-bent D-ring, stainless steel hardware on this BCD. It's nice brushed stainless steel, which is quite cool, and because it's bent, it just lifts the bottom of that D-ring away from the strap, so it's a bit easier to clip anything onto it if using a bolt snap. Across over to the right hand side, mirrors the left hand side very much. You've got information about the modular system and the padding, this like air mesh padding, which is quite chunky, but when you actually feel it, there's not a lot to it. There's a lot of padding, obviously, but what that means is that it's not going to soak up water and take forever for it to dry out. It's quite a loose mesh, so it can drain quite quickly between dives, but still give you plenty of padding, and you can remove it if you so wish. All of the padding, even the padding on the back plate itself, you can just remove that and just go real Spartan with it if you prefer. It's very modular in that kind of sense. The padding across the back plate, again, just protecting you. If you're just wearing a rash vest or something, you don't want the stainless steel backplate directly against your skin. You can have a bit of padding, which just adds to the comfort. That stainless steel backplate, of course, adding rigidity, strength, and also a bit of trim weight. By having that extra sheet of metal quite close to your back, it means you don't need quite as much in your integrated weight system or on the trim weights on the back, because it's actually built into the BCD as well, and because it's nice and close to your body, it means it's less likely to like turtle you, because the further away from your body, the more leverage it's going to have. When it's nice and close to your back, it's real nice and trim. Down to the waist. So the waists have these integrated weight pockets. They again have a D-ring attached onto them, so you can clip things off to those. They're this modern vertical style. A lot of old, I say old, a lot of traditional integrated weight systems, they are horizontal. So they go sideways around your waist, which does make sense. But when you actually want to ditch the lead, it means there's an extra action of having to physically pull it out of the way. Whereas a lot of weight systems nowadays, especially the smaller ones, are becoming vertical. So when you undo this pinch clip, then there's a pouch that comes out from there. That's what you put your lead in. It's got a rigid section on the inside just to help you stow it away that much more easily. A little grab handle as well, so you can carry it around. And as soon as you undo that, the physical weight of the lead, as long as you're in an upright position, is going to drop it out. And if it doesn't, then you've got that grab handle to help ditch it. Stowing it is just as easy. You tuck it in, and then you've got that big pinch clip, and you're ready to go diving. You can remove that if you so wish. On the back side, there's a little Velcro section and a pair of like nuts and bolts that you can undo with an Allen key to actually remove that entire section, and it's just threaded onto the waistband because it's all just standard 2-inch webbing. When we're on the webbing, this shows the party trick. This is what I would call a soft webbing, so it's a bit more comfortable, especially just in a rash vest. So most people will think that, oh, it's an uncomfortable backplate and wing system, but actually it does have a quick adjust system down here at the waist, and it's basically when you pull on one side, either the shoulder strap or the waist, you can adjust it. So you can pull on that shoulder strap, make that nice and big, so when you're donning your BCD, it's really easy, it's not going to catch on anything. And then when you actually get the weight on your shoulders, you can pull on the waistband, and that's the same on both sides. Pull on those and it cinches down your shoulder straps, and then you can do yourself up around the waist, which is very clever. And because it's nice and low down compared to where the actual waistband is, once you put that waistband, it kind of goes over the top of the bottom of the shoulder straps, if that makes sense. So it kind of cinches them in as well. So it's really nice and tidy to tuck you in. Around your waist, you have a pretty standard quick release style buckle. Stainless steel, so good and strong, and yeah, it's right hand release, so everyone knows how they work. And just to the left of that, you have this little D-ring as well as a pinch clip. This is the front end to your crotch strap. So the crotch strap attaches to the bottom of the back plate. You've got a little D-ring down there, so you can clip things off just above your butt. And this looks more like 1.5 inch. Very soft crotch strap, allows you to clip yourself in as opposed to having to thread it on every single dive, and then you've got quick adjust on that as well. D-ring on the front. If you're diving with a DPV, you can clip things off onto that, and yeah, that's it from the front. Turning the BCD around, donut style wing, so it's a complete O shape. It's not a horseshoe or anything. You've got a kidney dump on the left hand inside, so it's not on the outside where it can get caught on anything. It's on the inside, so you can still reach it but vent if you're in an inverted position. Over the top, you can just see the shoulder attachment point where the inflator attaches. A really long inflator hose. I'd probably swap that out for something a little bit shorter, to be honest, because by the time it gets to your first stage, there's a fair amount of slack in that. Twin cam bands, traditional plastic style cam bands, everyone knows how to use them, and you actually have integrated trim pockets that you can move around. You can move them a little bit higher up. Again, that's something I would probably do. I'd put them on the higher cam band as opposed to the lower one, so your weight's a bit more up around the shoulder, but if you need weight further down, you can do whatever you like. Decent amount of space. These aren't quick release, these are trim weights just to help move some of that weight off of your waist, and you can move it around the BCD a little bit. The wing itself is protected by Cordura fabric, so it's good and abrasion resistant, and then you actually have access to the internal bladder on the inside, so in the unlikely event that you do get a puncture, you might be able to repair it, or at least replace the actual donut wing inside the bladder. Behind the cylinder on the inside, actually integrated into the wing itself, is an integrated single tank adapter. So this kind of rubberized single tank adapter just helps create more of a cradle for that cylinder, so it doesn't twist and turn and wobble whilst it's on your back, and the twin cam bands helps with that, helps to keep that cylinder real rigid and kind of bolted to your back. And right at the top of the wing, you have this nice integrated webbing handle, so you can grab hold of it and you can really lug your gear around. As opposed to it being horizontal, it's vertical, which at first you kind of think, is that going to work? And yes, it actually does. It's really comfortable, but it's neat as well. It doesn't stick out too much. It's not likely to get caught on anything. So yeah, all in all, a well put together BCD. Weighing in at about 4 kilos, it isn't a lightweight BCD with that steel backplate, but it's solid and it's customizable. If you don't want the integrated weights, you can remove them. If you don't want the padding, then you can remove that. You can move D-rings, you can add extra D-rings, you can replace the webbing if it ever wears out, even replace the wing if you need to. If you choose this BCD, it can be your one and only BCD to dive both at home and abroad. I mean, personally, I've certainly flown with heavier BCDs in my luggage, and the quick adjust webbing is just a godsend when you're kitting up, especially in dry suits where you need that extra range to be able to get your shoulders in, but you don't want that shoulder strap being too loose, but you also don't want any clips that can break. That quick adjust system is very clean and simple. You have that reliability of the single piece of 2-inch webbing with no breaks in it, and a quick adjust fitting on both sides, so you can very easily get in and out of it. It ticks a lot of boxes for an all-rounder BCD. Personally, I'd be very happy diving with this long term, and I love the kind of the Cressi yellow and black. It's a good gateway BCD if you're tempted with backplate and wings. Most divers who pick this up, they won't instantly think it has a separate metal backplate, as it's as comfortable as a recreational BCD, and it comes fully assembled, so you don't have to worry about fiddly threading of straps and things, because Cressi have already done it for you. But this is a BCD that is worthy of Cressi's anniversary treatment, and if it caught your eye, then do act fast, because Cressi are only making a limited number of them, and once they're sold out, they are gone. For more information, head over to the Cressi website or your local Cressi dealer, and subscribe to the channel here on YouTube, because Cressi have sent us a whole range of their anniversary limited edition equipment to look at. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.